As I'm giving tips in each segment, even in annotation, I think this is a very good segue to show you some techniques to utilize over here, and that is properties. So when you select anything, you can just type PR to give you a properties option. Here you can modify all the properties of certain object, certain text, and as you can see over here, you can modify the height, you can modify the dimensions, all the details. And it is not only for a text, it is also for a letter. And here you have all the properties of the letter. For example, if I want to change the arrow head size, I can just modify it, use the calculator, or I can just write over here too. If you see over here, the letterhead is changing. If you see over here, it's very small. I can just modify it to 2. That's it, it's changed. And the same can be done, for example, for this object. R properties, it will show object properties. Same can be done for the circle, for example. R circle properties, circle properties. Again, if you see, if I select more than one, it will just show me just the lesser and lesser properties. Whatever I can modify, it will only show me whatever I can modify. For example, if I just want to change all of them to red, I can do it over here. That's the maximum that is possible. So properties, PR command, is what will help you to modify the objects, texts, various details. For example, even the hatch, PR will give you all the details. You can modify it over here, right from here, for example, without changing the object, without changing the size, shape, size and shape also sometimes, but mostly without changing the physical details of the items. You can change the properties of the item. PR, for example, I can change the color to be red, for example, and same with texts. I can just click PR and I will get a lot of things here. Even I can change the content, colored, PR. So as you can see, I can change from the PR window. That's a super tip. Properties, PR, and again you can use the command line and just click PR properties. Hope that was helpful, and it will help you modify things without changing things.